We visited Kreider Dairy Farm near Manheim, Pennsylvania on a beautiful late summer day. Boarding a bus at the Welcome Center, we rode a few miles through farm country to the part of Kreider's thousands of acres that hosted our tour. Kreider Dairy Farm is a huge operation, milking up to 1,700 cows 3 times a day. That many animals can consume a lot of food and produce a lot of poo. The manure is processed to separate the solids from the liquid. Both components are used as fertilizer. The solids are stored one place and the liquids end up in the fragrant moo lagoon. Our bus drove through the maternity barn where expectant mothers are brought to deliver their calves. Although several calves are born each day, we didn't have the fortune of seeing a birth. Our next stop was the milking carousel, where a rotating platform allows 2 workers to efficiently milk all those cows.
When the milk leaves the cow, it's about 100 degrees. Her normal body temperature is 101. The milk goes down through into this big pipe, and then there's a tank on each side, like we saw one here. The milk runs into, then it gets pumped to the center, and then it goes over behind this wall. There's a chiller that cools it down to 35 degrees in 8 minutes time. That's the secret of good quality milk.
The cows are herded in groups into the carousel barn and encouraged to move toward the carousel by a rail that gradually pushes them forward. A cow enters the next open slot. The first worker then cleans the udders. The second worker places the tubes to begin milking. Are done before the rotation is complete, so once they reach the exit opening, they back out to head out of the barn. But they might pause for a massage before they do. The Kreider farm was sold to Noah and Mary Kreider by Mary's father, John Hershey, in 1935. This was the original homestead. Growing from 102 acres, a dozen cows, 200 chickens, and a vegetable garden to an enterprise that now, run by the 3rd generation, encompasses 3,000 acres, a staff of 475 people, and supplies retail and wholesale customers with milk, ice cream, eggs, and more. As for our tour of the farm, we really enjoyed it, and if you visit Lancaster County, you might want to check it out.